Come with me to get everything I need to do the viral IKEA pop mart hack and a few other things actually. This is going to be a massive IKEA haul slash bedroom remodeling video. Right, I'm back from IKEA haul. So it's actually going to be a lot of frames, but the first one I got was this one, which is the Santa head, because I've seen people deconstructing them to make pop mart or like figurine cases. So I'm going to do that. In fact, I'm going to do that right now and use a toothpick. It's just because at the moment all my pop mart figures are on my pegboard shelves, so I can't actually see them, and if I bump my wall, because my walls are thin, it will just fall, and they will fall, and then I have to figure out how to put them back in. So I'm just undoing all the pins at the back. Nice. Don't need that. Take this out, and then people are taking out this part. So there's like a section, and then they're breaking this. So, oh, that was easy. Calm. And then they're putting these back in on the sides. And then putting these as shelves. Oh, okay, if I put it in at an angle and then I shimmy it, will it then, oh, okay. Oh, wait, undo that. I'm supposed to put the panel back in. Oh my god. This is why I was about to be like, this is why I don't do arts and crafts. I do arts and crafts all the time, but I always do it with instructions. Okay, this goes in first, and then I do this malarkey all over again. Right, I've done it a bit different. So when I've been watching the tutorials, they've been putting this, like they've put these on both sides, but it wasn't sitting properly. So I've only put it on one side. I might just put some like blue tack or something underneath so it doesn't fall. But so far so good. So that's that. And then it will sit like that. Okay, next thing. I bought two of these frames. They're the Visco. So these are somewhat big-ish frames, but I bought them because I have a couple of photos that need to be framed, because I'm thinking of rearranging this wall so it's like just photo frames, or maybe this one, and then one's just posters and one's just photo frames. But yeah, I needed photo frames for that. And these were £4 each, so not too bad. But I also got a bunch of their smaller counterparts, which were £2 each, just because I got a couple of nice prints that could fit in these. So these are the aforementioned biscuits. It's giving kiddie biscuits, which is kind of what I wanted. And then I've also got this bar of chocolate. Never heard of it, but I'm imagining it's a bit like a Dame bar, so that's cool. And then something a bit boring, lint rollers. That's my IKEA haul. Let's get these photos in some frames. And that's supposed to be in the tone of let's play forever, I just wanna be a dog. Right, so at this point I joined a partnership with 17th and 3rd to promote some of their posters. So I was putting them up on my wall because I'm always filming in front of that wall, so having them in the background and people could be like, oh my god, where's that poster from? I can then just be like 17th and 3rd. Also, I had a bunch of other posters that I really wanted to showcase, like my signed Callum Hood ones, a signed Olivia Rodrigo one, a signed Vamps one, so many posters. And I was like, okay, these are small enough to put in frames, but like big enough to like make an impact. So yeah, I was just redoing my wall. I just wanted to get some new fresh faces up there. That's my signed BT poster. I also have a signed Amy Fatale one. But yeah, as you can see, I have like a few other posters up, but it's not like full. It doesn't look great at the moment, which is why when I got into the partnership with 17th and 3rd, I was like, okay, I can do something with this. So I did do something with that. I was a little bit worried that this would be too small, just because the bigger ones are supposed to be like A3, but I have to fold them a little bit. But I'm glad this fits. I would be devastated if I had to cut this or anything. Beautiful. Next one. I might have to buy another small one of a TXT lyric. Like, I know my big one's TXT, but it feels weird putting TXT and Stray Kids on the same thing. But I think I'll do Cover Me and this poster because it's a good colour scheme. Yeah, actually no, I'll do these two. So we have this one. So we've got these two double features. Oh my god, I need to go to the gym. I look so flat. Oh my god, what? Sorry, this has taken ages ago, like November time. I have been going to the gym since then, but yeah. So I'm just taking down these posters just because I wanted to rework this wall. It's got the most surface area, so I think it would work best with all the photo frames. Nothing wrong with the groups I'm taking down. I still love them. It's just that I wanted the space. I have other walls. I can put those posters back up on other walls. I also have a massive folder now, like one of those art folders, just filled with posters. Those pictures that I'm taking down now, the smaller ones, I've had them for years. They were up on my wall at uni. They've been up on my on other bits of my walls since I came back from uni. But they're retired now. And now we've got the photo frames. Luckily, my parents own the house and I've gotten very proficient in repairing blue tack damage, but I was securing all the posters with command strips because the posters were adhered to the wall with blue tack, but the photo frames are done with command strips because they're a bit more heavier. I could have put a bunch of holes in the wall to put nails in, but honestly I'd rather just sand down the wall and repaint it versus removing all the nails, filling all the holes, just because I have a lot of posters and I quite like painting. I painted a different wall of mine last year, February. It was white, now it's pink. I've never loved a wall so much and it's so smooth. I'm sorry, I'm going on a tangent about wall painting as if I'm a painter. I'm not. I am just a hobbyist, and best believe when I move out to my own place, we will be doing a lot of DIY. And you will be there with me. But yeah, now it's just me putting up these posters, and yeah, I think if you look at my wall now, which I'll put a little video at the end, it looks so much better. It looks so much more put together. This is the wall as it currently stands. I need more posters because I really wanted to fill it completely, but I like how it looks, and when it's like at an angle it looks really cool, doesn't it? But yeah, me and my very bright wall background. Whilst I have you, which is your favourite of my fame photos? Take your pick. Thank you for watching this video. Me and my son say goodbye. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and if you want to find me anywhere else, just find me on TikTok or Instagram at Newrxmantic with an X instead of an O in romantic. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day and bye.